We're gonna cut and ball a dough, and then we're gonna push one out. Let's get into it. So address your dough first. Hello, dough. Pizza humor. Want to cut it as few times as possible. If our intent is to, let's say, have this be a 20-ounce dough, go from here, we can see that is way over that. So we'll cut it, but not letting it be cut onto the table. We want to cut it in the air so we don't dull the knife or get any shavings on the table. At this point, let's check it again. All right, that's on the money. Now, I have a dough. I have a less round side and a more flat side. I want this to be the top of my dough. So I'll have this be the bottom. And now I think of it like I have a bag or a towel and I'm sticking marbles into it. And I want to make that towel into a little bag to hold those marbles. And there's a little spot in that towel hanging out, and I bring it all to the top. And that is the top of my dough ball. Once I put it down, I can round it out a little bit, applying some pressure, put a finger on the top. If it comes right back out, I know that this dough ball has minimal to no air pockets and is ready to be refrigerated and fermented. And now a word of caution. So this one, with this dough, I have it all set, and I find this to be the flatter side, so I'm gonna make that my top. This method, you wanna pull the dough together, but if you dig your fingers into it, you are creating air pockets. It's a little bit of a misnomer when you're putting your hands at the top. If you dig in too far, your fingers create an air pocket, which means you either need to not do that or apply more pressure when you put the dough ball to the table. I was able to save it by doing this method of hands on the dough and massaging it where I apply a good amount of pressure and then slowly release that pressure, going in a counterclockwise motion. Now, when done, the appropriate quick method, because you don't want to take all day doing this, you have your dough, it's weighed. All right, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Less than 10 seconds and you're doing a dough ball right. More than that, and you're just having fun for yourself.